Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add your payment gateway on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a payment gateway here, it's simple. First, switch from website builder to manage store. Now click on settings and scroll down a little bit and click on payments. Here, as you see, I only have PayPal and manual payment as payment gateways because my company location is only Morocco. So I recommend you to switch to the United States like that in order to have additional payment gateways. For example, the local, PayPal, Stripe, and manual payments. For this video, I will connect my PayPal as the payment gateway. Click on connect. Fill in your PayPal email address. Now log into your PayPal business account. Click on login. You are all set. Now return to Hostinger. As you see, now the PayPal payment gateway is enabled on my online store. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you see, now the PayPal payment gateway is enabled on my online store. And this is how to add a payment gateway in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.